Alright, here we go. What? How old is this machine?
It's got to be from the 20s. It's a model 29. All right, so we got this done. Oh, we got to, first off, we have to make sure that oh, you put the key up like this. We then put the key into the, this is how we adjust it to get it into the position. Old school. Yeah, this is, it's not going to cut real. Hold on.
So this here's 1920s, and we come over here, and this is what we got today. It just automatically does it. So, but anyway, this is back to the drawing board here.
This has got to be pushed in.
This key machine hadn't worked in years. Long time.
We don't need it now. We're not ready.